Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the B consonant. So are you ready? Let's get started. The B sound always occurs at the beginning of the word, like in the word bố. Now let's see how to pronounce the B sound. First, let's talk about your tongue. Your tongue will typically be positioned for the vowel that comes next. Now let's talk about your lips. Press the lips together to stop the airflow, then push them apart to release it. And the last thing you have to remember about the B sound, that it is a voice sound. So you have to add voice by vibrating your vocal cords like B, 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 bố. Now let's try to say some words with the B sound. First, I'm gonna say the word, then you'll have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the sound. The first word is bố, bún, bốn, bia, bàn, bán, bánh, bám, bát, bát, béo, bóng, bưởi, bụng, bánh, bệnh, bàn bạc, bánh bao, bảo bối, bộ binh, bực bội, bóng bẩy, bận bịu. Now let's try to say some sentences with many of the B sound. I'm going to do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm going to say the sentence very slowly. Then I'm going to do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm going to say the sentence with normal speed. Okay. Bác, bình, bế, bé, bưởi. Now a little bit faster. Bác, bình, bế, bé, bưởi. Now with normal speed. Bác bình bế bé bưởi. Bố, bạn, bảo, bán, bún, bò. Now a little bit faster. Bố, bạn, bảo, bán, bún, bò. Now with normal speed. Bố bạn bảo, bán bún bò. Bà, Bích, bán, bánh, bao. Now a little bit faster. Bà Bích, bán, bánh bao. Now with normal speed. Bà Bích bán bánh bao. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.